In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code using a browser on Google Docs. Firstly, open Google Docs in your web browser and open the document you want to create a QR code for. In Google Chrome, click on Share icon located at the end of the URL address bar. In the drop-down, select Create QR Code for this page. This will generate a QR code for the current Google Doc. And now, all you have to do is wait for the QR code to load, and you download it, of course. Click on the download button to save the QR code as an image file. You can now share this image with anyone, and they can scan it with their mobile device to access the document directly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.